Hi guys, today I have a really simple and delicious recipe for you all for this Diwali. This can be eaten with sada roti, dal and rice, or even dumplings. And today I'm making for you fried tomatoes. A very easy and simple recipe to put together. So to start, you're going to add some oil to your pot, and once the oil is hot, go in with some chopped onions. Next, go in with some hot peppers and pimento peppers. And we're going to saute this until the onions are soft and translucent. Next, go in with some chopped garlic and continue to saute until it has a light brown color. Next, add in the tomatoes. Add salt to taste. And then toss to combine all of those ingredients. Now you can add a little bit of water just to help this to come along. And we're going to cook the tomatoes until it breaks down and it's very soft and it creates its own sauce. So you cover it and allow that to happen. Once it cooks and it breaks down, you can use the back of your spoon to mash it even further, and then this would be ready to be served. Taste and adjust your salt accordingly. Today I'm serving mine with hot sada roti, the recipe which can be found on my channel, and I will leave an end card for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!